so this is obviously, as you guys are all aware of, this is the Panasonic GH5s. And before we get on with the unboxing, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on like. And if you like it, if you like the channel, go ahead and click on subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you guys can help me get to my first 1,000, and that's going to help me out a lot. So okay, so let's get on with the unboxing now. Obviously on the box there's really nothing much on there. It's only just a few information about the Panasonic GH5 and GH5s, I mean. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and open it. So right off the bat, once you open it, you'll be greeted with some accessories that you could actually get with the GH5s. Mainly like the camera grip, like the audio boom, like the the extender, the lens converter, and all those kind of goodies. So let's see what we have inside of the box. If I could open it. Okay. All right. So we have obviously the manual. Um, I wonder if there are stickers here. Hmm. Okay. Well, there. I guess there's none. All right. And let's see. It's loaded with a lot of information, with different languages, and this is like a leaflet or a pamphlet, which actually gives you information about how to take a 4K photo, because that's basically something that's the GH5, the Panasonic GH lines, is boasting about. So let's see what else is inside here. So we have the strap. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the S on it, but it's really good quality. But probably I won't be using because I'm using the Peak design. We have some USB to USB-C cable here. We have I think this is for the audio. No, this is for the audio, like the tracking, so you can actually go ahead and have time code synced in. We have the power plug. This is where you plug in your USB and charge in the cable. Uh, we have this is the HDMI connector plug to ensure that it actually sticks there. We have the charger, and this is the battery, and I guess that's about it. Now let's go ahead and check the actual camera. Now, it is obviously nicely packed, and uh, you know, feeling the camera for the first time, because I've I've had different types of cameras. I've had Canon, I've had Nikon, and this is the first time I'll be using a Micro Four Thirds. So most of the time I use a CMOS and a full frame camera. If you haven't watched my Canon 6D Mark II unboxing, you can go ahead and check out the video. It's in the link. I'll put up a link somewhere in the screen, and the actual camera is pretty nicely um, manufactured. It doesn't feel cheap. It's not plasticky like it's not like a toy camera. It's really small. I'm really surprised how small it is, to be honest. And it also has this flippy screen that everybody loves, especially me. I mean, like I do sometimes vlogs, and I'd like to sometimes or I'd like to see myself on the camera if I'm actually on focus. Now, the only thing that I am a little bit concerned about here is obviously the focus of the GH5s. But I'll go ahead and have a look at that sometime soon. I'll go ahead and make sure to post some videos on there. But yeah, this is basically what you see inside the box. This is what is included in it, and I'm just fiddling around with the camera, trying to look at some of the button layouts, how nice everything actually feels. The only difference between this one and the GH5 is actually the red button on top, and some red accents on the dial. And of course, obviously, the sensitivity of this beast in low light. You know, if you looked at some of the videos online on YouTube, you could actually see that this one has really powerful low light sensitivity. And this is actually the only camera that has dual native ISO, which means that if you have an ISO 400 and bumps it up to 2500, you actually are going to get the same amount of video quality. So yeah, that's basically what you see inside of the box for the Panasonic GH5s. So there you have it, folks. Thank you very much for watching. And I would like for you guys to go ahead and click on like and subscribe. And if you like this video, please share with your friends. So thank you very much, everybody, again for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.